Give thanks and praises to your soul, beautiful being. My brothers and my sister, come here, make all a reason. You see, if you know nobody was sick, whether a life-threatening disease, virus, or whatsoever, or you yourself, you got the doctor, and the doctor tell you, say, something wrong with the spine, something wrong with the back, something wrong with your liver, your lungs, you have AIDS, you have virus, and you have a certain amount of time to live. A lie, them I tell you. A lie. Hear me I tell you? A lie, them I tell you. And them will never tell you the truth. And you know why the doctor them will never tell you all the truth? Because you don't know. All these health organizations is a business. It's a brand name, it's a title, and it's a business. But no fun you don't see it as a business. You may tell you know? Because no fun you have the understanding for no say yo, nothing can go wrong within uno, inside of uno, where you can't go to creation and fix. When you can't go in a bush, nature, the jungle, the forest, and men, there's nothing can go wrong inside of you. No care doctor tell us them have to cut out this, them have to cut off this, them have to cut in this, that. A lie. A lie. Just for have your hook on the medicine. And when them give the medicine can do nothing for you more than slowly kill you. How much I know? I take medication from the doctor and it take a toll upon you. And then them have to go on all different medication and them still not work. How much I know I got you that? And there's some simple thing one can do for bounce back. Some simple thing. Because I tell you no fun you know. So when you go visit the doctor, each time you go, them no write on piece of paper and go no, and say a prescription. Only they know say the prescription with the doctor's signature upon it. No care which pharmacy you go. In you know which pharmacy you go no, but you have some of them you tell you say, you have a pharmacy downstage, you have a pharmacy round the road, and what you feel like them tell you that. Or you feel like the doctor them signature. You feel like after certify say it's a doctor where all the fuck when you bring go on pharmacy, them say the signature. And them are gonna know say it's a real doctor. Sign it. All them are gonna know say it's a real fucking doctor signature. All them know say the doctor who sign this, him still have a license to perform as a doctor. Think for yourself, no? All them know. But try know say all prescription with the doctor signature where you go full, fill or whatsoever, him get a percentage from it. Why you feel like them are going to the dearest fucking jugs? When they take a stack of you go there and the cashier tell you how much for all the jugs where the doctor just write and give you. All 5,000, 7,000. Why you feel like it's a dear? Because the smaller the sale or the smaller percentage him get. Think for yourself, wise up and know what time on the living and know what going on. Oh, no. You don't need no doctor. A witch and wicked them. I would them study for. Yeah, me I told you, know, I would them study for. No care what go wrong with you know. All you know have to do, you know. A change on the diet, you know. Because you know, so majority of the food them when I eat. Them have things in it when I come in upliftment towards them. Them have poison, them have all these chemical in it. Because majority of the things them from creation, them kill them out and have be hybrid and GMO. Majority of the fruits them and the food them are either hybrid or GMO. Or enough of the meat them when I eat. You me I told you, know? So all you have to do, a change on the diet. Do a detox. Get all alkaline. All alkaline based fruits. You know what I say? All alkaline, all soursop, it best when you can eat it more than juice it. And say if you not gonna juice it, you just juice it so. Pluck out the seed them and blend it. If you not rather juice it, pluck out the seed them and blend it and drink it said way. You may I told you to get on alkaline fruits, get on the jelly water, get on the sea moss, get on the nerenge. You know how powerful nerenge is, you know, the nerenge light, you know. Yeah, me I told you, know. But you have to go do some fasting. You have to fast, so you can't eat as rapidly like you eat. If you used to eat like 3 times for the day, you can't eat so. You know me I told you, know, you have to cut down the food. You know me I say, and keep it on a level. You see it, and you have to do some fasting. Yeah. The next thing I'm telling us, some herbs. Yeah, we need some herbs too. Find out the herbs them and what them good for. We not do no one research, you know, the things them we not put in a food nobody, you know. I certify them, you know. And then the body I certify them and I tell you to say good food, you know. Or I tell you, say this certified, you can take it, you know. I own yourself, I do own research on the herbs. I want to find out which herbs where good for and all these things. Then you start taking herbs. And give it even 1 month. AIDS, cancer, no care what, give it 1 month. You may I told you just continue upon the diet, do the same thing when me I say, and go back to the doctor and make them do a test pan you know. I mean I ask you no. Me, I tell you no. Me, I tell you no. You may I told you 1 month, never so long too. Could all sooner than that. I mean I ask you no. When the doctor go wonder where you do. When the doctor go wonder where you do. Because you don't know what go on for earth, you know. You see the system play a major role in our distraction and for mislead we. Because the system, them cause the problem and them forward with the solution. So simple, when me simple say a while ago, the system is the problem and the system is also the solution. And what? It's a business. Each time the cycle play over, to them design it and set it, them always benefit from it. And them always gain from it. No me and no. But we still believe in our system. We still believe that these people who see themselves as head of society, them play a major role towards our safety, our liberty. I don't know how to see it. I don't know how to see that. At the time of awakening, and if we don't wait now, to everything we go on and just pay attention to certain things, we still go sleep. We have to wake up to everything. You may have told you no education wrong, the direction we are going wrong, even the church we don't believe in is a part of the distraction. We never know. We never know. Even the fucking church when they get up and go a part of the distraction. All these things we have access and play a major role within society are come from the system. The system allow them. If the system never want them out, them could out. You may have told you no? If the system have a problem with me, them are going to get me out. Simple as that. Let me use me as a reference. When the system find say, yo, me I do too much. Me I wake up too much, I don't know. And start analyze things.